Good afternoon. My name is Alan. I'm the founder of Isometric, and I'm here to talk to you about Xtimeter, our regenerative dehumidification system for bathroom. Bathroom is one of the places where we consume a lot of hot water. And the production of that hot water is both carbon and energy intensive. 1/5 of our energy bill are related to the production of that hot water. One daily 10-minute shower is equal to 220 kilograms of carbon emission per year per person. The steam that results from that hot water also, when not treated, can lead to excessive humidity in a bathroom. Current regulations stipulate that each bathroom must have some form of ventilation, but current systems are failing and leaving our bathroom prone to mold. A ventilation system that does not work can lead to excess and unnecessary carbon emission, a waste of energy, and a ventilation system which is not perfectly working sometimes is difficult to repair. The installation process of a ventilation system could sometimes be disruptive. It can also be long and difficult to do. If you don't have a ventilation system in your bathroom, it could be costly, both financially and in terms of your health. Our solution is the Xtimeter, our regenerative dehumidification system, which offers the following benefit: mold prevention, reduction of energy consumption, and also reduction of carbon emission. The way the Xtimeter works is that it sucks in the humidity, goes into the heat exchanger. The excess heat is processed and used for you to shower straight away as you are in the bathroom. And then the humidity is processed and turned into water droplets that fall down our drop tray. In terms of market opportunity, there's about 30 million buildings in the UK. 20% of those buildings have inadequate ventilation system, and 6 million of those buildings are in desperate need of bathroom ventilation upgrade. In terms of go-to-market strategy, we will be targeting both residential and commercial building. We'll be working with hotel, care home, hospital, and listed homes. And then we're also planning to work with new build later on in the future. Our route to market will be to work with basically anyone who has a bathroom. That will be really appealing to them because we will help them, first of all, save money, save energy, but also help them reach to the goal. We've secured some trial with some hotel and are currently in talk with some local authority to conduct some trial with them as well. We are planning to produce Xtimeter for £50 and sell it for a minimum of 150, which will give us a profit margin of about £100 minimum. This is a projection based on us selling 1,000 units in the first year, 20,000 units by the third year, and 50,000 units by the fifth year. There's some alternative out there, but none of them offer everything that we are offering. The proof is that mold is really common in the UK at the moment. We conducted a test with a national physical laboratory. We showed that we are better than an extractor fan in terms of bathroom heat loss, installation time, installation cost, running cost, and also carbon emission per year. We are a small team, and we are planning to grow by hiring commercial director, marketing consultant, assembly line team, and installation technician. This is an outline of what is our roadmap towards commercialization. We are in a phase 1 right now where we are piloting and also certifying our product. The phase 2 will be mainly initial fundraising and plan for the factory, for the assembly line. Phase 3 will be assembly line layout and then expansion of the team. And then phase 4 we will be launching our product to the market. Our ask is introduction to the market, to the people who have potential pilot for us, and then we hope to have initial conversation with investor as we seek to raise in Q4. Thank you for your time.
Okay, that brings us on to questions. And while we wait for them to come in from the audience, let's start with one about your target audience. Talk to us a bit about who that is.
So as I mentioned earlier, everyone who has a bathroom can use us. But there are people who are really in desperate need of some kind of ventilation. And those are people who live in listed houses because it's difficult for them to retrofit some kind of ventilation system.
A question in from the audience about their specific setup. I have a steam room, they say. Can this help dehumidify my steam room?
So to answer straight away, you have a steam room or a bathroom. To clarify, if it's a bathroom that steam up all the time, yes, it will help it. Why I'm saying that? Because we conducted a test with National Physical Laboratory, and then compared to an extractor fan, we were 10% faster at removing the steam in your bathroom.
Okay. Does it work when the shower's not running?
Yes, it still runs when the shower is not running.
Moving on, how does the system help to save energy?
So that is another test that we conducted with National Physical Laboratory in terms of heat preservation in a house. So if you use an extractor fan, you lose 5% of the heat in your house in 10 minutes. So already on that aspect, we are winning. Second aspect is in terms of the heat. When you're generating the heat as you're showering, we are recycling the heat for you to preheat the cold water that is coming into your bathroom. So that is how we do that.
How much water and heating can this save?
Whew. Water and heat, that's a tricky one. We don't deal with water. We're dealing with the heat mainly. And then what we've done, as I say, the fifth of our energy bill are for energy production, like the hot water in your bathroom. And we are helping you save roughly 20% of that energy, of the fifth of your bill, basically. I don't know if I'm clear enough.
Yeah, that absolutely is. What's the cost? How does this compare to alternatives?
So I had a graph earlier. So it showed that all the alternatives, they say with the humidifier, it's good for ventilation. But the problem with them is that, first of all, it's really difficult to install. You have to have ducting system. We don't need any ducting system. You just plug in our system, and then it does all the dehumidification for you. And you also recycle the heat at the same time as you're using it.
Do we have time for another question? Yes. Does it require external access?
No, that's what I just said. So you don't need access to outside. So if you think about having like a cruise ship, you have thousands of bathrooms there, and then the architect will probably have a headache trying to figure out how to, duct everything. With us, it's straight away. You have your dehumidification action happening. So now.
Is it powered by electricity?
Yes, it is powered by 12-volt power supply. So it's fine, even if there's a bit of electricity outrage. It won't hurt anybody. But for comparison, you have an extra power shower, which is powered by 220 volt. So it's secure, and then nothing can happen that is wrong.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.